The following video is going to show you how to hang jack chain with your iLag pole. Keep in mind two things. You'll need the Lagmaster Plus so that you can put the correct plug in. You'll need a plug that has a ring that can be moved up or down, and that'll be shown in the video. That all comes in the Lagmaster Plus Retro Kit, or you can buy just this base plug and just this wire plug with the movable ring as well separately. So watch the video and you'll see how you can hang jack chain with your iLag pole.
The Telescopian Lagmaster Plus pole tool can be used to hang jack chain safely from the floor. You will need iLag screws, S-hooks, and jack chain cut to the proper length. Lower the ring on the wire head of the Lagmaster using a 1/16 inch Allen wrench. Use pliers to assemble the S-hook to the iLag. Insert the jack chain into the slot to keep it from whipping as the pole is rotated. Then insert the iLag into the head of the pole. Position the screw onto the ceiling. Screw it in slowly to prevent the chain from whipping. Lower the pole.
There you have it. Again, you need the Lagmaster Plus or an iLag pole with the interchangeable base plug that can be bought separately, or you can buy it in Lagmaster Plus Retro Kit. And also make sure you have a iLag driver that has the movable ring so you can slide that down to accommodate the jack chain. We have that, the jack chain, and iLags online at constructionfastening.net.